everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Betül and in today's Kotlin tutorial we are going to learn all about variables and data types in Kotlin. Let's start with how we declare variables in Kotlin. There are two main ways. And these are command lines in Kotlin. You can use double slash to add notes like this in your code. Now let's break it all down. In Kotlin we use val and var to declare variable. Val is read-only like a constant. Var is mutable, meaning you can change its value. Let's make an example. Val name var age 25. And if I try to change name as Lydia and age as 26, let's run our code and it says val cannot be reassigned. So use val when the value shouldn't change and var when it should. Next up is the boolean type. Booleans can only be true or false. Is Kotlin easy typed boolean equals to true, or is Java hard? That's directly equals to false, and our compiler gonna understand is Java hard variable is boolean type. Now let's look at char, which is used for single characters. They must be wrapped in single quotes. Var grade typed char equals to in single quotes a. Strings are used for text and they are wrapped in double quotes. Val greeting as string, val name Betül, and let's print this. $, greeting, space and name, and let's run the code. I need to change this variable and I'm gonna put an underscore and let's run again. What if I try to do like that? This is gonna work too, and I can put a space between them. Different ways to combine strings. And let's go with integer numbers. For whole numbers we use the int type. Kotlin also has long, short and byte types for different number size, but int is the most common one. Val num1 as int type 23, val num2 as long type. For the long type, we need to add L end of the number. Num3 short type equals to 45, and for the last one, num4 as byte equals to 3. If you want to store numbers with decimals, you will use float or double, and use double when you need more precision. Num5 as float equals to and f 6 double. For double we don't need to add anything extra like float types. Kotlin also supports unsigned numbers. These are always positive. Just add u or ul to indicate unsigned types. Num8 u int equals to 10u. Val num8 u long equals. Finally, let's talk about arrays used to store multiple values of the same type. Val arrays equals to array of 1, 2. This is array of numbers. Or we can make a string array of Bob, Betül and Alice. And we can access items using index numbers. Let's print the first element of arrays2 array. Arrays2 and 0, and here we are with Bob. So array starts with 0, 1, 2, it goes like that, and we can change value. Arrays2, I'm gonna change Bob with a woman name Lydia, and let's run the code again. So here we are with Lydia. In the next videos, I'm gonna make a detailed video about strings and arrays, 2 different videos with more detail. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Kotlin tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!